kami nagtatawag na meeting pero lagi nyo nalang pinapospon.
Kung pareho tayo nagtataasan ng boses, walang mangyayari sa atin. Mabuti na lang kumain lang tayo. O order lang tayong authentic Italian pizza dun sa baba.
At least we have something to agree on.
Exactly. Order tayo ng pepperoni.
Garlic and cheese.
Pepperoni?
Garlic and cheese!
Pepperoni!
Harvey! Serge! Good timing! I saw Manang in the hallway. She had to go somewhere, so she gave me her food to sell. I have all kinds of pie. Buko pie, egg pie, tina pie. Ang sarap, ano? Sino ka?
Your tina pie, buco pie, egg pie are nothing compared to real Italian authentic pizza.
Gina naman. Alam naman natin na may cut ka dyan sa binibenta mo para kay Manang eh. Pero please, give me a chance. Give this authentic Italian pizza a chance. Ang sarap! Tikman mo, magugutom
Ayoko.
ko. Hindi, sige na.
Ayoko.
Subukan mo, subukan mo. Oh.
Sarap!
Hmm?
Nakakahiya. I volunteered to sell Manang's food and now, zero ang sales ko.
Gina, it's not your fault. Na-late ka lang kasi kanina. Kaya naka-order na kami ni Harvey sa iba. Nagutom kasi kami dun sa debate namin tungkol dun sa circular number 53.
So, kung ako mauna, siguradong bibili ka sa akin?
Oo naman.
Perfect! Kasi nagluto ako ng pizza crackers!
Ay, Gina, sorry kasi medyo nagdinanahan akong kumain kanina. Busog na.
Serge, eto na yung route ng authentic Italian pizza natin.
Super large size. Same Italian authentic pizza taste you love, but much bigger. Not like that little puny pizza crackers.
Gina, ka ba may gawa ng posters na yan?
May flyers at may pins pa ako. All I needed to do is advertise and make you realize why I've always loved this food so you would not replace it with that authentic Italian pizza.
Manang's Foods makes your office feel like home. In fairness, maganda campaign mo, ha? Tsaka na-convince mo ako. Bigyan mo ako ng 10 puto seko.
I knew it. My advertising works. 1 puto seco, 1,000 pesos, please.
1,000 pesos? Ba't ang mahal naman?
Kailangan kong bawiin yung advertising cost ko. Mahal ang printing.
1,000 pesos? That's crazy!
Well, I control the market of puto seco in this office and I say 1,000 pesos.
Ah, ganun. So, bibili rin ako ng maraming pizza para lahat ng kaopisina natin hindi na bumili ng paninda mo at para matruhan ka ng leksyon.
Grabe, ang daming pizza nito. Uy, pwede ng dinner to ha. Bukas na ako bibili ulit sa'yo ha.
Okay lang. Tanggap ko na. Lugi ako ng halos 5,000 pesos.
Harvey, thanks a lot for buying so many authentic Italian pizza, eh?
No problem. As long as I learn a lesson from you.
And now you owe me 10,000 pesos.
Learn the lesson, ah? Penging pizza.